Hi, today I want to give you 3 tips on how to be more productive in doing Zen meditation through your own life. So, with more and more people becoming aware of positive benefits of meditation, more people take the first step to trying to sit quietly. Whether you learn about meditation through Zen, yoga, mindfulness, or whatever it is, meditation can bring positive outcomes to your life. And I won't go into the different objectives of Zen, yoga, or mindfulness meditation because it can be kind of controversial. And that isn't the point here today. Like in Zen meditation, you aren't supposed to think about the benefits when you are meditating. Trying to meditate for the first time is difficult because most of us are not used to doing nothing. We are constantly checking time to see if we can fit something in the empty slots of our schedule and are not used to keeping the slots blank, as in literally blank, keeping it blank. By that I mean keeping it open so that you do nothing, not like keeping it open to have entertainment. So most of us are overstressed by work or family matters, rush to be connected with the world through SMS like Facebook, Instagram, and just want to distract yourself through entertainment so that you don't have to think about yourself or something in life. And basically, all you're trying to do is distract yourself from having to confront the reality, right? And the question is, why is that? When you sit quietly by yourself, spending time for yourself to get to know who you are, you will find yourself finding things you don't want to know or think too much about certain things about yourself. And I do also know that just simply sitting without doing nothing productive in terms of getting things done physically makes you worry about how you're actually spending that time. And most importantly, it will get you bored and unable to continue the practice. But in reality, from the moment you are born to the moment you die, you take your last breath, the only person who will accompany that journey with you is no one but yourself, not your parents, not your family, not your friends. So the goal in life should be to get to know who you are so that you can take advantage of what surroundings you have and take advantage of that so you can make the best out of your life. So today I want to share you 3 tips on how you can convince yourself to sit and do Zazen meditation. Let's go outside. I think it's better there. So let's go to the punch bowl today. Let me explain to you some of the tips of meditation. So the first thing that my first tip is simply just avoid distraction. If you're gonna get distracted from, say, your phone or your family, your friends, you're not gonna get the meditation done anyway. So first things first, turn off your phone, turn off your notification, close the door if you're in a room, go to a park, somewhere quiet where you're not gonna get disturbed, and that should help you concentrate better on meditating. Okay, so tip number 2 is don't overthink. Let your mind do its own thing. Okay, that's better. So I always get asked questions about, how do we become empty-minded or how do we become empty, get our minds to be empty. But unfortunately, the truth is you can't. Our mind is meant to think. And if you try to make your mind not think, it just means you're dead. So, you can't expect your mind to just not think. It's like telling your lungs to stop breathing. You're just gonna die, right? You can't do it. So the important thing is let your mind do its own thing and just don't get caught in a certain thought. That's what it means to be empty. Um, and by doing that, you get to know more about yourself. You know, if you're thinking a lot about food, then you probably have a lot of cravings about food. If you're always thinking about surfing, that's what's important to you. Your family, whatever it is. Understand your thoughts and don't get caught in a single spot. And that's my tip number 2. Okay, so we're almost here at Punch Bowl, and when we get to the top, I'll tell you the last tip, tip number 3. So this is Punch Bowl. Okay, so the last tip here is to just start short. If you can afford to do like an hour, you can concentrate for an hour, that's fine. You know, it's really good if you can do it for that long. But I would suggest if you're just a beginner, just start short. I would say like 5 minutes max. We're all busy, and I don't want you to force yourself to be doing meditation. If meditation is your thing, if that's your thing, go do it. But if that's not your thing, and you're just trying to see if it works for your life, start short. So we often say that time is money, but I think it's the reverse in most cases. I say money is time because the phrase is used to say time is just as important and value as money, but I think you can make money by using your time, but you can never buy your time with money. Treasure your time and use it wisely. If meditating 1 hour is a waste of your time, don't be stupid to do it. But not doing it at all is also stupid because, like I said, you need to know who you are so that you can take advantage of how you can manage the surrounding environment you have. It's like driving a car without knowing how to drive a car. If you're going to control the vehicle, your body, which is your body, mind, and spirit, you'll take throughout your life journey, you should take some time to learn about yourself. So those are my 3 tips about how you might be able to start your Zen meditation. And if you keep these 3 things in mind as you practice, I'm sure you'll be able to continue. First thing, avoid distraction. Number 2, let your mind do what you want to do. And number 3, simply do it short. All right, I'm done. Let's go. All right, so see you at the next one. I'm in here, right over here. And this is white tea. Then you have the Alamoana area.